Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how computers understand different kinds of information called data types and how to perform basic operations in Python. So if you see the number 10, you know what it means. But a computer needs to know, is it text, a number for math, a true value, or a false value? That's why data types matter. Data types tell Python what kind of information it's handling. The four common ones are string, integer, float, and boolean. A variable can store any of these types. Knowing the type helps Python decide what operations are possible. You can add two numbers together, but you can't add a number to text. Understanding data types prevents mistakes in your programs. Sometimes you need to change data from one type to another. For example, input always gives text, so we convert it when needed. Python can do math easily using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Division usually gives a decimal number, but you can also get a whole number result when needed. You can also join text together using the plus sign to create messages. Booleans represent true or false values and are used for decisions in programs. This program uses variables, type conversion, and operations to create a simple calculator, for example. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try creating your own program to calculate your age. You now understand data types and operations. Next, we'll learn how programs make